Today here at Rano's Cooking Corner, we're going to be making some Desi style pan-seared chicken thighs. This simple and easy recipe was requested by a few of my friends, and Rano decided that's what we're going to eat tonight. The recipe should only take 15 to 20 minutes and can be served with rice, chapatis, naan, or even mashed potatoes. Hope you enjoy it, and if you do, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Now, I'll list out the ingredients required for this recipe. We're going to need 1 chopped onions, 1 chopped tomatoes, 1/4 cup cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, a lot of spinach. Finally, 4 chicken thighs. Now, these thighs we have pre-marinated them with salt, pepper, green chili, and garlic powder. And so you're going to pre-marinate the chicken thighs for like an hour before the cooking process and just leave them there. Once the chicken is marinated, now we're going to start the cooking process. We're going to turn the gas on a pan, and we're going to add our cooking oil. Once the pan is hot and the oil is hot, we're going to add the chicken thighs. And we're gonna stir it for a few minutes. Cooking the chicken, make sure you flip it every 2 minutes. And you see here, we flipped it a couple of times, so make sure you keep on rotating that. So now we've grilled the chicken for 10 minutes, and this is what it looks like. Now we're gonna get ready to add other ingredients there. We're gonna add our chopped onions. We're gonna add our turmeric powder, garam masala, and coriander powder. And we're gonna give it a bit stir. Two minutes after adding our onions, we're gonna add our tomatoes. 2 minutes, we're gonna add the spinach on it. And this is almost the chicken's done almost, so this spinach you want to add it in the end, so you don't want it to be too fully cooked there. It's been 2 minutes and this is done. Actually, you can turn out the heat and let it sit for a couple of minutes, and this can be served with rice, chapati, or even potatoes, mashed potatoes on the side. So hope you enjoyed this recipe there. Here you have it, guys. So we served it with salad, and you can add rice to it. Thank you very much.